If y is equals to tan inverse of under root of 1 plus x square plus under root of 1 minus x square by under root of 1 plus x square minus under root of 1 minus x square, find dy by dx. So here in this question put x square as cos theta. So you can write y is equals to tan inverse of under root of 1 plus in the place of x square we have to write cos theta. So cos theta plus and under root of 1 minus cos theta under root of 1 plus cos theta minus under root of 1 minus cos theta. So we know the formula or the form as 1 plus cos theta we can write 2 cos square theta by 2 and 1 minus cos theta as 2 sin square theta by 2. So in the place of 1 plus cos theta we can write 2 cos square theta by 2 and in the place of 1 minus cos theta it is 2 sin square theta by 2. This is the one of the formula or form, and in the denominator is also same thing. And if you see like you can here I am just writing separately, that is root 2 into under root of cos square theta by 2. So cos square and root under root cancel, so it is root 2, and here also same root 2 into sin square under root of sin square theta by 2. So under root and sin square cancels, so the denominator also same thing, root 2 into this one and root 2 into this one. If you simplify here, so you can take out root 2 common and you can cancel there, and also dividing the numerator and denominator with cos theta by 2, such that we can write cos theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 the numerator, and the denominator also same thing, dividing each term with cos theta by 2. So that is cos theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. So if you see, this is 1 and this is sin theta, cos theta, that is tan theta, that is sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, that is tan theta by 2, and also this is 1 and this is also same thing, once again it is tan theta by 2. And if you see we know 1 is tan 45, tan 45 is 1, so in the place of 1 we can write tan 45. So why we have to write like this means to simplify, means to convert this into form of formula, that is tan of a plus b. So anyway in the place of 1 we can write tan pi by 4 or tan 45, and here also nothing is there, means it is 1 into tan theta by 2. So in the place of 1 we can write tan 45 or tan pi by 4. So if you see, this is in the form of tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b, for which we can write it as tan of a plus b. So in the place of a we have pi by 4, in the place of b we have theta by 2. So for this we can write tan of a plus b, means a is pi by 4 plus b is theta by 2. So tan inverse of tan cancels, so remaining thing will be pi by 4 plus theta by 2. So this is y, and it is y is equals to pi by 4 plus, you can write half into theta, and in the place of theta you can write cos inverse of x square. Why? Because in the initial steps we have assumed x square is equals to cos theta. So if you see in the initial step we have assumed x square as cos theta. So here in the place of theta you can write cos inverse of x square. So when you just apply the differentiation, that is dy by dx, means first term is constant, so it is differentiation is 0, and is 1 by 2 into dy by dx of cos inverse of x square. So we know dy by dx of cos inverse of f of x as minus of 1 by under root of 1 minus f of x whole square into f dash x. So f dash x means dy by dx of f of x. So if you follow this formula for this cos inverse of x square, so minus 1 by under root of 1 minus f of x, in the place of f of x we have x square. So x square whole square means x power 4, and into f dash x means d by dx of f of x. So d by dx of f of x means d by dx of x square, it is 2x. So when you simplify here 1 by 2 and 2 is the denominator, in the denominator, and here 2 is in the numerator, both cancels, and you can write minus of x by under root of 1 minus x power 4. So this is the dy by dx. So if you like my video, please hit a like and share my video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.